Sonia and Sweater Limited. Company profile, a brief overview. Year of establishment, 2003. Sector, consumer goods, ready. Made garments. Industry, textile apparel clothing manufacturing. Manufacturing facility, 11-storied industrial building with an approximate cumulative floor space of 249,391 square feet and comprising of 10 floors for manufacturing operations and 1 floor as the corporate headquarters. Product strength, in-house fabric. Attached and embroidery facility for high embellished knitwear products. Full-time employees, 1,800 to 2,000 approximate. Categories of production. Machineries, computerized flat. Knitting machines, winding and rewinding machines for spun yarns, sewing and stitching machines, washing and drying machines, ironing appliances, needle detection machines, etc. Manufacturing/production capacities. 400,000 to 500,000 pieces/month, approximate, and sometimes it's increased based on product group. Annual turnover, $25 million approximate. Key markets exported to, USA, Canada, UK, Germany, France, Sweden, Denmark, Netherlands, Belgium. Our Board of Directors. Enayat Uddin MD, Kaiser Khan, Managing Director. Mustafa Kamal Shaheen Chairman. Mahabuba Rahman Director. Mohammad Shahnawaz Jewel Director.